Lola, ako to. Si Camila. Ang ingay ulit. Hi Lalabs! Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to call you Lalabs than Baby. Mas maganda yung Lalabs. Mas maganda magitin. Okay, repeat. Hi there, love. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, your girl GlaDIYna. And in today's video, we are going to make another DIY because I can go out and do a travel video. All of my friends are kind of busy, and I'm kind of busy making orders. Okay, wait, I'm going to fix this stand. Alright, so balik tayo sa DIY natin. Today's DIY, we are going to make a 3D moon lamp. So, stick muna tayo sa DIY. It is so easy, and you can do it together with your friends, or your daughter, or your family. So, I don't want to talk a lot because you all might get bored and will not watch this video. So, let's go. Without further ado, let's start the magic.
Kailangan natin ng ball para sa ating buwan. Tissues. Yes. Oh, yeah. And then we need a lot. Oh, not a lot, but medyo lang. Tulak. Oh, yes. And ang mahiwagang glue. Okay, so let's start. Oh, wait, I forgot. Kailangan din natin ito. Yes. A red light candle for our blood moon effect. Yeah. Okay, so ito na. Let's start.
So, okay, here, you need to get your glue and your balloon. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm using a ball here because there's no balloon in the house. That will serve as the mold of our moon. And in the first layer, one mistake that I did here is I shouldn't put the glue first. You should paste the first layer of the tissue paper with water. But it's alright, nailaban naman natin. So, okay, diretso lang. And for the following layers of the tissue paper, doon na tayo gagamit ng glue. And love, if you don't have brush, you can use sponge din naman. Okay, we're done. Let it dry for 1 to 2 days. Once dried, use a sharp object to cut out a hole. And then we need to remove the ball or the balloon inside. Yes, okay, there's no more ball inside. And then always make sure na kasya doon sa butas na ginawa natin yung LED light candle. And if it's not fit, we need to make some bawas-bawas. Alright, it's kasya na. And now we need to get our cotton and put it inside to create an effect once we turn on our LED light candle. Since maarte ako at gusto ko na may patungan ng aking buwan, we will make a holder for our moon. And here I am using a popsicle sticks. So as you can see, kita yung ating kandila sa tabihan. So, gawa natin ng paraan. Ganun naman talaga dapat. Oh, hindi ba ha? Gawa ng paraan. Always remember that whenever you are making a DIY stuff and it turns out bad, you can always think of a possible solution that can make your creation looks awesome later. And we're done! Maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking video for today. And if you like our DIY video for today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe ka na din sa aking channel. And don't forget the ring notification bell para maging updated ka sa aking mga susunod na DIY uploads na maaari mong gawing pang negosyo. But this one, na my dear, na. And I hope you like our DIY video for today. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!